today in last class we discussed the questions of similar triangles. So now from this class we will again continue this same exercise. The exercise is 6.3. The exercise is 6.3. So today now I am going to start from question number 10. Yes, from question number 10. So what is the question? CDGH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and angle EGF. Okay, now we have to draw two triangles. So now what is the question? Question is CD and GH. CD and GH are the bisector of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lies on the side AB and FE. Okay. Triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Triangle ABC and triangle EFG are respectively. If triangle ABC and triangle FEG are similar, ABC and FEG are similar, show that this GD by GH. Okay. So now see what is given. First of all, what is given? Given that triangle ABC similar triangle FEG. Okay, if these two triangles are similar, the yes, they are given angle A equal to angle F and angle ACB equal to angle FGE. Yes. So now what is given? That CD and GH bisect angle ACB and angle FGE. So bisect is half. So half angle ACB equal half angle FGE. So now say we are considering triangle A and F, triangle A and triangle F. So half ACD means we have to consider angle ACD, and here half FGE means we have to consider triangle or angle FGH. Okay, now see. These two angles are also equal and these are also equal, both are equal because they bisect each other. So if angle A and angle F are equal and angle ACB and angle FGH, these two angles are equal, then by angle we can say that triangle ACB is similar triangle FGH by angle. Yes, got it? They are similar. So if they are similar, then we can say that AC by FG equal CD by GH equal AD by FH. Now what is our target? Our target is to prove that AC by FG equal to CD by GH. Done. So for first and second, AC by FG equal CD by GH. Done. Yes, this is the solution of the first part. Note down this one. Okay, now what is the second part? second part is that prove that first and third one. First one and third one done, because see what third part prove the DCA triangle DCA similar triangle HGF. This one done, 1 and 3 done. So now only question number 2 left. Now what is question number 2? We have to prove triangle DCB. This triangle and triangle HGE. Okay. Now triangle ACD, similar triangle FGE. Therefore angle B equal to angle E. Then angle ACB equal to angle FGE. So which implies half angle ACB equal half angle FGE. So half angle ACB, this time we have to consider angle BCD equal angle EGH. Done. So from this and this triangle, what to do? Triangle DCB. Okay, triangle DCB, similar triangle HGE by angle. So these are the 3 parts of the question. Done. Now next we will do question number 12. 11 is homework, try by yourself. Now we will do question number 12. Question 12. Side AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional this and this. So this is the class. In the next class our geometry will finish now. Then we'll start what? States. Yes? Only states or what is left? Construction also left. So discuss construction later on, not now. Next we'll do states, then probability, then construction, then our course finish. So it was done height done, done coordinate done, similar triangle, this is class 2 class 8 will be done. Yes. 3 classes, that is just like construction. Yes. Question number 12. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. And here median is PM. Done. So what is given? Restatement write by yourself. What is given in the question? That is the restatement write by yourself. So I am just going to show the proof part. So AB, BC and AD. AB by PQ equal BC by QR equal to AD by PM. This is here now. Yes. Side ABC, BC and median AD of triangle ABC are proportional to PQ, QR and PM of that triangle. That prove that this one is similar to this one. Okay. Okay. Now see if these are given. So AB by PQ equal. Now see what is given, that D is the median. AB is the median means D is the midpoint of BC. Similarly, PM is the median means M is the midpoint of QR. Midpoint is half. So half BC by half QR equal to AD by PM. So AB by PQ, half BC means BD, half QR means QM, and it is AD by PM. Now see, AB by PQ, BD by QM and AD by PM. So triangle ABD similar triangle PQM by what? By side. So if they are similar, then we can say that angle B equal to angle Q. Okay, now angle B equal to Q. Now again see what is given. AB by PQ equal BC by QR. This is given what? AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Now see what is the angle between AB and BC. Angle between AB and BC. These are the sides of the same triangle, and these are also sides of the same triangle. So AB and BC, the angle between AB and BC is angle B, this one, and the angle between PQ and QR, that is angle Q. These are equal given. So triangle ABC similar triangle PQR by side angle side. Done. This is the solution. Got it? So this much is okay for this class. In next class I will 13, 14. So 14 is the longest question in this whole exercise. Then for 13, 14, 15 and 16, then this exercise finished. This is also finished. And after that we'll start. Let me see whether construction or stage, anyone. Okay then, thank you, bye bye.